So welcome to the fourth part of the video. We are going to discuss some other options as we discussed in the last video about the video options. Now we have another option, audio option. In the audio you have some sounds, like if you want to put a sound, if you want to use a sound in this video, in this project, you can also do that. You have to click on the sound. After clicking on the sound, we are going to see some options like Christmas sale. You have to select the audio from there. For example, I'm going to click on the sale, and from after clicking on the cell, I'm going to see options like this. I have clicked on this. It's downloading. First it will be downloading. Yeah, so now this audio is running. So if you want to use this, simply you have to click on the plus icon. If you want to use this, simply you have to press on this audio layer and you have to drag it wherever you want. So I have put it here. After that, you have another option which is called copyright. If you want to check the copyright, that can also be checked from here. We are not going to use this one. And then we have effect. If you want to put an effect on your audio, you can also do that, like piano, heartwarming, clapping and all. After that, we have another option which is called extracted. That means if your video, if your device contain any audio, you can also put that video here. And another option we have which is called record. If you want to record the audio, you can also do that in this video. So I think this audio option is enough for today, and we have to discuss on other things in the next video. So see you in the next video.